If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
So, first of all, what exactly the SAP is? Means I'm starting from the scratch. Okay. So, what exactly the SAP is means see there are multiple software or multiple ERP in the market, but why only multiple companies or MNC companies go for SAP only? There must be some reason. Okay. So the main reason is ACP provide end-to-end solution. Means company no need to use other software for different purposes. Means like for procurement of material, or for sales, or for production planning, production of plant, or warehouse management. For these different kind of requirement, companies need to means to go for only one ERP or software called ACP. Means ACP provide end-to-end solution basically. Then now it's clear now. My voice is clear now.
A little better.
Okay.
This is
So,
the loudest. Is this the loudest?
no. Actually, my voice is full. So. Okay. So in ESD basically stands for sales and distribution. Okay.
1 minute. Did you make the screen small? No, can you make it bigger? It's yeah, I thought it was good first and then it became small. Okay. Thank you. So let me tell you that I am a beginner to SAP. So you will have to teach from that point of view.
Yeah. Means I started from what exactly the ECP is. Okay.
Okay.
So there are different models in ACP which are specific to that area only. Means like MM is for material management, PP is for production planning. So if certain company want to procure some material, then that company do for MM. Then for production of a particular plant, then the particular companies use PP. So likewise, different requirement is there for different companies, like product-based companies, service-based companies. There are different requirements. So ACP provide basically end-to-end solution. Means no need to use other models or other ERPs. Okay. So this is big advantage of companies are using ACP. Okay. Okay. So in SD basically, or order to shipment process, the main topic is order. Okay. So first of all, there is a enterprise structure. Okay. So enterprise structure basically the topmost structure, or the topmost we call the hierarchy wise the at the topest. Okay. So in enterprise structure basically there are different organizational unit, like company code. Company code means what exactly the company code is. Suppose you have a certain company. Suppose we take example of bicycles. Okay. So you have
Example of who what?
bicycles.
Acha.
Suppose we have a company of bicycles in Maharashtra basically, and in Karnataka basically. So you have a business in two states, Maharashtra.
Okay, can I know one thing? Why is this call being recorded?
Actually, it's for in integral policy for that.
Okay, but like it. Okay, fine.
Oh. Suppose you have a business of bicycle in two states, in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Okay, so you need to manage the all business. Okay, so you have head office in Maharashtra, but you have regional office in two different states. Okay, so means all the business you have done in one day, so must be reported to your head office. Okay, at the end of the day. So your head office in Maharashtra is called the company code, basically. Means the total business of all one day, or total business of a month, the total business of 1 year must be reported to one your head office. That head office is called company code in layman language. Okay, got it about company code. So company code basically in SAP we create company code. Basically, it is a 4 digit. Okay, I will show in system level also what exactly the company code is and how many digits it is. Okay, so it is a 4 digit code. Okay, company code. Then there is a sales organization. Means in name itself, sales organization responsible for sales and services. Okay, means you have different, as I told you, you have business in Maharashtra and Karnataka in 2 different states. So there are different regional offices also, district wise or certain region wise. Okay, so that particular head office under control that sales or in business of that particular area, of that particular geographical area. Okay, so that's the sales organization. It is also 4 digit. In system, in system we create sales organization and company code of 4 digit. But the
What is SD consultant?
what?
SD consultant is responsible to define sales organization in SAP.
Yes, means when you are training is SAP SD, then you work for certain companies or service-based companies. So your role be as a SD consultant.
What does that stand for?
Means you it's basically suppose you are working on a support project or any implementation project. Okay, so if your client has any SD related ticket, like invoicing is not properly done, or there is any mistake in order. Okay, so it is a SD related. Okay, and so if we are taking example, we are working with XYZ companies. Okay, and you are working there as a SD consultant. Means you have all knowledge of ESD. Likewise, when you are working there as a ESD consultant, and your client has some ESD related issue. Okay, then they create a ticket. Then that ticket will becomes to you, and then you will provide a solution for that particular ticket, and then you will close that ticket. Like then there is a distribution channel. Distribution channel means suppose you want to buy a mobile or any phone, so you can buy it from online also, or you can buy it from shop also, or any other media. Likewise, the distribution channel is basically the way of distributing goods. Okay, means how you can procure or how you can buy that particular material is called distribution channel. Okay, and it's a 2 digit code. In system, we create the distribution channel is of 2 digit code. Okay. Then division is also the same. Means what exactly the division? Suppose you want to buy a mobile. Okay. So there are different categories of mobile available in the market. Okay. So diversity or these different kind of mobiles are known as division. Means there are Samsung, Nokia, likewise different companies are there in market. Okay, so according to that, you can according to your requirement, you can buy that particular product. That's the called the division, and it is also 2 digit code. Distribution channel and division only as 2 digit code. Then okay. Then it's important, sales line. Mostly the question will be asked about sales line. Okay, it's combination, it is basically the combination of distribution channel and sales organization. Okay, and sales area. Sales, it is basically the combination sales line and sales area. Means sales line, it is a combination of sales organization and distribution channel, and sales area basically the combination of three: sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, here is only division is not present, but here is division is present. In while creating order, we can means the system asks for sales area, or in order we need to maintain sales area for that particular. It is
So
basically the combination.
how is all this useful to like orders and shipments and
Yeah,
invoices and all that?
when we going to perform on system level, I will told you each and every topic, means which topic is
Mm-hmm.
important there, which topic is required there. Okay. Likewise,
Mm-hmm.
I just want to make sure that the particular, suppose I say there this is a division, so you need to have some basic knowledge about division, what exactly the division is.
So what
Then
is sales line? Combination of sales organization and distribution
distribution
channels. So
channel.
the sales organization was on top.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you show me above? Was it there? Which is sales as a 4-digit code. Okay.
This one is distribution channel.
So you know what a sold to is?
Yeah, yeah. Sold to means
So
there are different parties. Means while covering, we are going to cover partners now. At that time, I'm going to install you that sold to, which is sold to, which is shipped to, then which is billed to.
okay.
Like, yeah, this is sales office now. Sales office means what exactly the sales office. Suppose we have taken example of our bicycles, okay, bicycle business. So you have regional office, okay, at district level. Then you have certain office, small office at taluka levels or certain ground level. That particular office called the sales office basically. It is a physical location where a group of people work together to perform sales. Okay, means actual business will be done in sales office. Likewise, okay, it is also 4-digit code. Means suppose you want to at the end of the day, okay, sales office will be uh, share their total business to their regional office. Then regional office will share their business to a certain higher level. And at the end of the day, total business or total revenue, what the revenue will be generated will be shared to your company code. Likewise, the hierarchy wise, the business will be done. Okay.
This is little confusing.
Mhm.
Means what is what to understand, like all these I have to know by heart, right?
No, no. Actually, I need to it's conceptual. I need to clear your concept first. Then you are familiar with this word, like sales organization. As well means while we are doing means a training, no, you are familiar with this. I can share the document with also. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so it will be
Okay.
easy for you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And now the sales group means the people, certain people's work in sales office. Okay, so that group of people working in sales office basically, that's the called as sales group, or means certain group of people work in our sales office that is responsible for sales or any other purposes. That is called the sales group, and it is a 3-digit code. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then next one is plant. Means plant where the production is done. Means suppose our business is a bicycle business, so we need to have some plant where actual manufacturing is done. Okay, so that's the thing is called the plant. Where means you know now about what exactly the plant is. There are different plant. Likewise, means for
Means like
Gojire.
factory and all.
Yeah, that's kind of thing is called plant. Okay, it is a 4-digit code actually. So I can just repeat for you. Okay. First we go for company code. Okay. Can you explain me about what exactly the company code? What do you understand about company code?
Means what you were asking me?
Yeah, yeah. So
What is company code?
Mm-hmm.
I have to read all this. Company code, organizational unit which is responsible for the external.
No. You just need to tell me in layman language. Means what you understand about company code.
Okay, let me read. Balance sheet. Company code, organizational unit which is responsible for the external financial transactions which happen in the country. And the company balance sheet and profit and loss. Means like accounting.
So company code basically you need to remind like it is a head office basically. Okay.
But why is example then given example balance sheet and profit and loss statement?
I'm explaining. Suppose you have one head office now. So what I tell you that total business or total revenue of one day, okay, will be shared with your company head office. So that business will be shared in terms of business sheet or balance sheet or profit and loss statement. I mean total how much business they have done in day, or how much business or how much losses they have done today. Likewise, in that format, they have need to share with your head office. The head office is nothing but the company code.
Okay. In SAP, it's called company code.
Yeah, in SAP, it is a company code, and it is 4-digit code. That's the most important.
Becoming numeric or alphanumeric or character, anything.
Yeah, no, it's
it
basically.
Is like, is it like similar to what we use like VAO3 and all like that?
No, V3 is basically T code. T code is different, and the company code is different. It is a 4-digit.
VAO3 is T code. Okay.
It is a 4-digit. Means basically you need to give the company code 4-digit. Means system accept it as a 4-digit. It will not accept as a 3-digit or 2-digit. Okay, for company code. Then what is the sales organization? A sales organization is nothing but the district level or regional level offices, as I told you. Suppose you have business in two states, Mumbai and Maharashtra and Karnataka. So the regional wise, we have certain offices. Okay, so that particular offices will take care of business related to that particular geographical area. So it is nothing but the sales organization. Okay,
For regional.
Yeah, and it is also 4-digit code. And now distribution channel. We can tell me about distribution channel.
Yeah, that is if it is reaching the end customer through a distributor, basically.
Okay. Suppose you want to buy a mobile. I can give you a simple example. If you want to buy a mobile, you can buy it online also, or in shop also, or any other distributor also. Okay. So it is nothing but the distribution channel. It's a way of buying the product, different. Okay. It is basically distribution channel, and it is 2-digit code.
But it can be any form of distributor, right?
Yeah. Means suppose I give you another example from this. Suppose we can take here mobiles. Okay, so you need to buy some mobile. So you can buy it from dealers or from distributor or from online also. Okay, your requirement is what you need to buy mobile. So you have different like options that called the distribution channels. It is basically 2-digit code. Then division. Division basically your range of product or product line. Means you want to buy mobile. So there are different companies in market like Nokia, Samsung, Realme, likewise different. This is basically the range of your product.
Means like say give me Samsung, Nokia, iPhone, all that. Apple.
Yeah.
Different brands.
Yeah, different brands. Suppose you want to buy certain foods or certain any other product. So there are multiple categories of food. Okay, so likewise.
So this is a pediatric, gynecology, cardiac, different departments in a hospital.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is basically 2-digit code division. Then sales line. The sales line basically is combination of sales organization and distribution channel. Okay, it is basically combination of two. Then sales area. Sales area, it is important. Sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Likewise, it is a combination of three. Then what is the sales office? Then we have business in two states. Then according to means our ease of business or according to our need, we have certain regional office, likewise on district level or on certain geographical condition, we have certain small office. That particular office called as sales office. It is a physical location where group of people perform sales. Means actual business will be happening basically in sales office, likewise. And it is basically 4-digit code. Then sales group means it is a group of people work in sales office. Okay, to perform their daily sales activities. Like suppose you have bicycles in your shop, so you need to sell that particular your product on daily basis. So that particular some people will be take care of that selling and buying activity. That particular people come under sales group.
People who are working in the sales office.
Yes.
Hierarchy of employees in sales office. Exactly. HDFC Bank has different private sales activities like personal loan, home loan, vehicle loan, and there is no relation between the two groups. So it is those people who are working in personal loan, home loan, vehicle loan.
When basically these people work in sales office and perform their daily sales activity. Your business is of any kind. Suppose your business of any mobiles or any other food business or any other pharma business. So certain people need to work your in sales office. That people will take care of your daily businesses. Okay, that people will come under sales group, and it is 3-digit code basically. And next one is our plant. Plant basically the actual production will be done in that particular plant. It is a physical location where processing and manufacturing of finished goods is done. Means you have a certain product like bicycle, so you need to have some certain plant where actual manufacturing of your product is done. Okay, so
consultant is responsible to define plant in SAP. A plant is it is a physical. What is consultant?
Means basically it is another model like EST. It is a material management. Means in EST basically we take care of sales and distribution, but in plant basically we need material to produce our product. Okay, so that procurement of material and that material related stuff will be take care of consultant. And any in your means client have any related issues like if material is not available or certain issue with material or batch is not determined, so that particular ticket or particular incident will be take care of consultant. If means you are working as a support or working as a any kind of role with your client, so you have current knowledge in EST or you are expertise in EST. So only EST
what
related.
Is EST?
EST, sales and distribution.
Acha.
So this is basically the means EST related incident or EST related issues will be taken care by you if you are EST consultant or you have EST related knowledge. Okay. Then next one is our shipping point. Shipping point basically the physical location where we do the process of loading goods into trucks and dispatches to customer. Means basically shipping point we manufacture certain our product. Okay, so it need to be distributed to our regional offices or our regional called as we call shops, like in 2 different states we need to supply our material also. So at from certain point or from certain location we need to means pack our material into trucks or any like rails. So from that location, the material will be distributed from different location, and that particular point is called our shipping point. Okay, got it about shipping point?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Loading into trucks, right? Rail
Yeah.
for dispatching.
Yes. That particular part is called shipping part. Then next one is storage location. Means you have a certain extra product. You have manufactured certain 100 or 20 extra manufacture product. So you need to store that particular product. So that will be stored in your location or any other location. That location will be called as storage location. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
where you can actually store your extra goods or your material.
Within the plant.
Yeah, it may be within the plant or it may be on it's according to company's requirement.
Mm-hmm.
This is basically the storage location. These are basically the SPRO part. You got system. Okay, I will discuss.
What is SPRO path? I don't know what that is. Do I need to know all this?
Yeah. This is basically when you got the system. Have you got system access?
No.
Okay, when you got the system access now, so I will teach you that SPRO basically a T code in which you can find out the what exactly the enterprise structure is, how to define that enterprise structure, then what we call the sales organization. This is basically the path. Means how can you go for that particular path? Then how can you create? How can you edit that particular sales organization distribution channel like that?
This is not coding, right?
No, this is not coding.
Okay.
Coding will be taken care by ABAP consultant. Okay, we will cover this on the topic. You have any doubt regarding this?
So I will be given the software, right? That the ZaranTech
Yeah.
told me. Yeah.
ACP basically a kind of software where different modules is there. Okay, and in ESD basically there is no any code. Means you no need to have any knowledge regarding coding. You just need to have knowledge regarding what exactly the ESD is. Basically the order to you need to have good knowledge how to create order, then how to create delivery, what is quotation, what is inquiry. Okay,
Order status. What about order status?
yeah, that part will be covered in order when we create order now, the
And
everything.
invoice and all that. Order type, I mean order types.
And basically I
Standard
basic.
order, OR and all that.
Okay, so suppose you need to explain you with example. Okay, you need to buy certain product. Okay, XYZ product. Okay, so you suppose what we means what normal person did that he go in market and inquiry about that particular product. Okay, means how much actually the cost is. Suppose you want to buy a certain car, so you will go in market and check whether what exactly the cost of that particular car. This is nothing but the inquiry. Means you are doing inquiry about certain product. Okay, it is not basic, it is not legal document. Means you are today you are going market and inquiry about certain car, and you get any
Inquiring about what? Certain?
car. I will give example of certain car. Means you need you have to buy a new car. Okay,
Acha,
so
acha.
you go in market and inquiry about different car and what exactly the price of that particular car. Okay, so you just you just made inquiry, so it is not basically legal document. Means a certain owner or a certain company means today he told you that this is about 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, but he is not bounded to that particular inquiry. That means tomorrow or after 1 week when you go and check with that product, it price may be differ. Okay, because you just made the inquiry of that particular car. Then next one is what quotation. Okay, means quotation basically it is a legal document. Means you go is for a certain vendor or a certain any means car shop, and you make certain quotation about car that I want to buy this particular car, then that particular shop owner will give you the quotation that this car will be go for about 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, okay, like that. So this is basically a legal document. Means after 1 week, when you go for after 1 week or after some days, the price will be same. Okay, this is basically difference between quotation and inquiry. That topic means this topic will be cover again in tomorrow's session. Okay. Means this is, I just give you the rough idea about what exactly the inquiry, what exactly the quotation, then what exactly the order. Means order means you are okay with the price and all the stuff. Then you need to you are decided to buy that particular car. Okay.
Will you cover like standard order and OR,
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that?
Yeah. I just give you the rough means background knowledge about what we are going to do in next means in system level, because I directly go in system level, then you will not understand anything like what
Okay.
exactly the company code, what exactly the quotation. So for that, I need to develop basic knowledge. You don't have any basic knowledge now, so I just need to develop all knowledge. Then and then only we can go for a system level.
What is FI consultant is responsible to define company code in SAP?
FI consultant, basically the accounting, finance part will be take care of FI consultant.
Oh, finance consultant.
Yes.
Okay.
Then there is a order. Okay, means you can create in system order basically on the basis of quotation or with reference to quotation or with reference to inquiry also. Like,
Mm.
you have any doubt regarding these topics? We have
No.
okay. There are different master data, like customer master data, material master data, customer material record, and condition master data. Okay, so master data basically what? Suppose you enter certain customer, okay, in while creating order, when you enter certain sold to party or ship to party and press enter, okay, so automatically system picks the data related to that particular customer, okay, from system or from customer master data basically. Means when you are while creating order, when you are entering certain sold to party or ship to party, the system will be automatically taken its all admins data, like what is the address of that particular customer, then what is his transportation zone, what is its country. Okay, likewise the data related to that customer will be from system take the data from customer master basically, like customer name, address, communication detail, payment term, etc. Means it is basically customer related data. Customer master data basically customer related data. Okay, got it. Then next one is material master data. Means you are entering certain materials in line items. Like while creating order, you are entering certain materials like 100 or 200, any kind of number. You are entering that particular material and just pressing enter. That after means whole data regarding that material will be taken from material master. Means it's basically a DG material, or it's basically any kind, means it's basically any ventilation is required for that material. Likewise, all the data related to that material will be taken care of, will be taken from material master. Okay, that is nothing but the material master data. Then next one is customer material info record. Customer material info record, likewise, means suppose you have certain uh, you can take example like DHL or Big Weather or Dollarama. Likewise, means you have your client has a huge business. Okay, means you are working for XYZ client, but XYZ client has a huge business. He has a different material or different product. Okay, so he give like he has product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4. Okay, so for his ease of business, he is giving that product 1 name is X, product B to name Y, product B is name C. Okay, so for it's for your client. Okay, so when means DHL or Big Father place any order or create any order, so he can give his local name. Okay, like XYZ, but for our easy or our ease of business, we can attach that X number with our standard material number. Okay, so when customer giving order with the X number, so system automatically pick that particular material that we have set in attach, or we can maintain for that particular X. That is nothing but the customer material info. Got it?
If customer is placing order with their own material
Yes,
code.
yes.
Okay. I think I'll understand later a little bit with practice.
Okay. Means suppose you are a customer, okay, and you are giving order for three material basically, and your
So I'm a
name
customer to whom?
customer to like any service based company or any other company. Means suppose we as I explained that you are ESD consultant. Okay, so you have your own client. Okay, for that client you receive certain tickets. Okay.
No, 1 minute, I'm getting confused. I am a SD consultant. SD is what? Sales and distribution, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Suppose.
can you give me example from some giving some company name?
Okay. Suppose any manufacturing means like Covestro. Basically, I take the example of Covestro. Okay, it's basically a German Covestro. It's basically a German company, means which produce the polycarbon material. Okay.
What is the name of the company again?
Okay, we can take simple example, Parle-G or any other company. Okay, Parle-G. Okay. We can take the example of Parle-G. Okay. So, so they have their different product like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, like different variety of product. Okay. So they are giving like name for 5 rupees product, they are giving X name. Then for 20 rupees product, they are giving Y name. And for 100 rupees product, they are giving Z name. Okay. And there and you are working for certain firm or any companies, and your client is Parle-G. Got it?
Okay, so I'm working for what type of company?
Like any service-based company. Means basically the Parle-G is a product-based company. Okay. So this order and this quotation like stuff will be mostly taken care of third company. They hire third company for that kind of stuff.
Okay.
So means you have certain standard products in your SAP or in your module. So you can just means Parle-G, when Parle-G creates some order, they are giving like X, we need 100 product of X, 120 product of Y, according to their name given. Okay, but what you do that you can attach, or you can uh, uh, attach your product with X, like when customer placing order with X, system automatically pick this standard material. Okay, this is basically the CMIR. Means you are giving standard material with your local material. Means Parle-G will not know about the standard material. They are placing the order with their local material or local names. But the while system will automatically pick that standard name. That is nothing but the CMIR. Got it? Now next one is condition master data. Condition master data is nothing but the pricing related master data. Means all the pricing related stuff. Means total price of the product will be taken care of condition master data. Means you are creating some order for 20 material, 100 material, then automatically price will be populated for that particular cost or particular material. And that price related data will be taken from condition master data. This is 4 master data basically we are using: customer master data, material master data, customer material info record, and condition master data.
Okay.
We will stop up to this. Any doubt regarding this in topic?
No.
Yeah, data master data related means you may have certain doubt, but we will cover detail, means what exactly the customer master is. Then we can also cover like in detail.
Okay.
Okay, I means to talk with the other members and let you know about your server access and all the stuff so that we can practice it. Okay.
Okay. And
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.